Hey, what's up? What's going on? So today I'm going to discuss Cisco Systems Inc. CSCO with the ticker symbol CSCO. So I'm curious whether you are making millions of dollars in the Wall Street or not. If so, congratulations. If not, do not worry, you will make it. Be a little strategic. It will eventually happen. Okay, so do not worry. So what's going on in Cisco? In one day, it is up by only 48 cents. What about 5 days? In 5 days, it is up from $65.33. What about 1 month? In 1 month, Cisco went up from $63.20. What about 6 months? In 6 months, it is up from $58.98. Not a big deal of movement in Cisco. And what about 1 year? In 1 year, however, the return statistic looks really lucrative. It went up from $47.29. So if you consider 1 year statistics, it is tremendous. Okay, what about 5 years? In 5 years, it went up from $46.31. So in 5 years horizon, it is not very lucrative, but 1 year horizon looks very lucrative. So what about return statistics? So in 1 year tenure, it went up by it gave the return of 46% opposed to 9% of S&P 500. What about 3 years? In 3 years, it gave 68% return opposed to 62% of S&P 500. In 5 years, however, it gave 70% only opposed to 93% of S&P 500. So in 5 year horizon, it disappointed the stockholders. Okay, so what is the financials? So the profit margin is good. It is 17.60%. Return on equity is good, 21.36%. What about diluted EPS? It is good too, 2.45. And what about trailing P? 27.07. What about 4P? It's better. It is really better. It is 16.58. So overall, the stock looks good, like a good stock, and it looks like a good buying opportunity, but not a very good buying opportunity, because analysts are thinking that the stock as of today should have been at the price of $69.87, while the stock has the price of $66.32 on June 20, 2025. So it's not a really great buying opportunity, but it can be bought. The statistics is not terrible, but it is always up to you. I am not here to persuade you. I am only making you comfortable with your analysis. So I'm not going to give you an investment advice. You have to apply your own judgment before taking any buying decision, because this is Wall Street, this stock market. Anytime anything can happen. Okay, so be very careful about it. Anything can happen anytime in the Wall Street. You know that, right? So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.